Let's start, guys. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Rise. Inhale, reach the arms up, doing the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start chanting one Om. Inhale. Om. Exhale, release the hands down. Open your eyes. Let's start shoulder rotations. Hands on top of the knees. Only the shoulder rotate in big circle. 10, 9, 8, 7. Cameras on, guys. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Interlace the fingers. Press and lift. Shoulders up to the ears. Press sitting bones down. Exhale towards the right. Inhale. Center. Lift shoulders to ears. Exhale left. Keep the shoulders and the chest facing forward. Inhale. Lift. Exhale right. Inhale. Exhale left. Inhale. Exhale right. Inhale. Exhale left. Inhale. Exhale right and hold. Press away. 10, 9, 8. Sitting bones down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, other side and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Release the arms. Fingertips to the right side or forearm. Keep the left hip down. Extend the arm, shoulder to the ear and hold. 30 seconds each side. Anupama, chest forward. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Other side. Left fingertips or forearm down. Right arm over the shoulder and over the ear, sorry. And hold. Chest forward. 30 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Watch me. Keep your legs crossed. And now we will go side long and forward, semicircle, left, long and forward, semicircle, right. Yes, 10 times. 1. Open fully. 2. To the right. Open fully. 3. To the left. Open fully, chest forward. 4. To the right. Chest forward. To the left. And forward chest. Right. 6. 7 to the left. 8. 9. 10. One more hold. 30 seconds to the right. Reach long with the arm. Elbow extended. Good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and to the left. Hold it. Extend the elbow maximum. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come to center. And we meet in tabletop position. Hands under the shoulders, knees mat distance apart. Toes together, and we start cat and cow. 1. Only on the pelvis movement. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tabletop position, knees under your hips. Press the right hand. Inhale, lift the left arm. Exhale, thread through. Shoulder down. Open on the exhale. Look towards the right hand. And hold. We twist from the belly button. We keep the hips on top of the knees so the hips don't swing. Yes, it's a twist. So press with the left shoulder. Look to the right side. 30 seconds. Time is on. Press the left shoulder down. Twist from the belly button. Try to look to the right hand. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Press the left hand down and come back. Very good. Other side. Press the left hand to the floor. Inhale, reach the right arm up. Thread through. Shoulder press to the floor. Exhale, open the left arm. Look towards the left fingertips and hold. Twist from the belly button. Eyes towards your hand. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the hand down. Come back to center. Come back to tabletop. And then we'll stand in a kneeling position. Kneeling position, keep your blocks nearby. Sorry. Keep the blocks nearby. Left foot to the side, yes? Hip in the same line of your leg, toes facing down. You're gonna take the blocks. Some of you might feel the stretch here. Some of you go second setting. Some of you low setting. Or hands on the shoulders or forearms down. If you have forearms down, still not feeling the stretch, reach the arms forward and go all the way down. The toes are facing forward, guys. I'm not sitting back to the back foot, okay? My legs, sorry, from here. My legs are in the same line. Pelvis and right knee is on the same line. Here, here, it doesn't matter. Yes, wherever you feel the stretch, you pause. Let's go. Hold it. Stay, hold, just breathe and hold. Wherever you feel the stretch, pause. Forearms, arms straight, arms extended. Urvashi, where are you? Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Good. Now, same thing, same leg. This time, heel up, toes down. So maybe hands with the blocks, without the blocks, forearms or arms extended. Press the heel to the floor as you go down and make sure the toes stay up. Yes, they don't swing here. They stay up. And we hold another 30 seconds.
Pretty pelvic in or out?
Neutral. Toes up. External rotation of the left leg. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press and lift. Other side. Left knee on the floor, right leg towards the side, internal rotation, so toes facing forward. Hip extension. Bring the hands on top of the blocks if you need. Wherever you feel the stretch, blocks, no blocks, arms straight or forearms, same guys. Straight arms, wherever you feel, stay. And then same with external rotation. Let's go. Then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming up. And now external rotation, same leg. Right toes up, press the heel down. Meghna, careful, your leg is opening too much. Keep the left hip on top of the left knee. And now everyone going for the stretch. Stay with the breath. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly coming up. Very good. Now, we will go towards the left. We will extend the left leg, internal rotation. Slide the hand, side stretch. As far as you can go without closing the chest. So, ribcage up, slide and hold. Yes? Let's try. Time is on. Slide as far as you can with the left hand, as if you want to reach your ankle. Kamana, the toes, no. The toes forward. Toes facing forward. Internal rotation. Internal rotation. Internal rotation. Yes. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. External rotation, toes up. Same stretch. Reach the left arm. Guys, external rotation, toes are up. Internal rotation, toes are down. So now external rotation. Reach as low as possible. Extend the arm. If you're here, same thing, but we have to feel the lateral stretch. Yes, the glutes squeezing forward. Otherwise, you start sinking back. Everything forward. And we hold here, wherever you are. Yes, it has to feel a bit challenging, guys. We have to feel the stretch. 30-second hold. Deep breaths. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming up. Other side. Right leg to the side. Internal rotation, toes facing forward. Hip extension. Extend the arm towards the ankle. Side stretch. And bring the left arm above head. As far as you can go. 30 seconds. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slide up. External rotation, toes facing up. Slide the right hand to the ankle. Left arm overhead. Full side stretch on the left side. And we go for the hold. Eyes towards the toes or towards your upper hand. Eyes. Yes, don't drop your head back, only your drishti, your eyes, your gaze. Stay with the breath. Chest forward, Anupama. Yes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming up. Very good. Now, we will go tabletop position. And then you will go forearms, under your elbows. Yes, so elbow, my goodness, guys, sorry. Forearms down, elbows under the shoulders. Yes, make sure you have a full straight spine, full engaged pelvis. You will reach the left leg to the side. Press the forearms and lift. I'm lifting like in internal rotation, right? I'm flexing the foot and lift. To the side. I don't want to lift higher. Okay, only until my hip level. 1, slowly down. 4, engage to lift. 2, slowly down. Guys, I don't want to arch the spine. Watch me first. Everyone is doing the exercise. Wait. Don't arch the spine. Straight spine. So we are pressing and hunching. Core engage. Lift. Core engage. Lift. It's very different from this. this, you will collapse in the lower back. Yeah? Ready? Take position. Left leg to the side, toes forward, and we start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Control the core, ladies. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a moment. We will hold, guys. We are not throwing the leg up. We are lifting. Use your inner thigh muscles to lift. Yes, don't worry how high it lifts. It has to lift maximum to your hip level. If it's not reaching there, it's okay. We are building the strength. Okay, spine straight. And we go. Hold the core. Hold the pose. In line with your pelvis. Anupama forward. Sunita a little bit forward. Sarika a little bit forward. Lakshmi a little bit forward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Other side. Right leg to the side, guys. Make sure your leg is aligned. Yeah? Make sure the leg is in straight line with your pelvis. Some of you have the leg a little bit behind, some of you a little bit forward. So it will change when you lift. And here as well, it will change. You will lift it here and here. Yes? Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. And down. Control the core. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we lift and hold. Ready? Lift and hold. To the side. Core engaged. Press forearms down. Spine straight. Up, up, up. Anupama, Sunita ji, up. Monica. Come on, ladies. Try to hold. Focus. Maximum focus. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Very good. Now, guys, same thing, external rotation. Same thing. Yes? We start left side, forearms down, leg to the side, heel down, toes up, lift. Yes, it's going to be more difficult. Even for me, it's difficult. You see, I cannot reach fully, but I try to do my external rotation. Yes? Everyone try. Whatever you can lift. Guys, it's tough, I know. Ready? External rotation, everyone. Toes up, heel down. Forearms on the floor. And we lift. 1, 2. Press forearms, engage core. 3. Come on and bring the blocks under the forearms if the forearms are not reaching. 4. If the forearms are not reaching, keep the blocks under. 5. Guys, if your forearms are not reaching, take a pause now. Take your blocks under. Blocks under the forearms. Let's do last 5 together. Everyone with the blocks, whoever needs. And we go. 5, 4. Nidhi, come on, toes up. 3 with the blocks. Blocks under forearms. 2, 1. This time 15-second hold only, guys. 15-second hold. I know it's tough. I know. I'm suffering with you at heart. Ready, guys? Don't think. Just breathe. Don't think. If you overthink, you won't do it. Ready? Press forearms, engage core, lift. 15 seconds is blink of an eye. Come on. Let's go. Good. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Other side. Everyone who needed the blocks under the forearms, please take them now.
And why is it difficult to keep the external rotation? Like it's not happening, like it's not fully rotated.
Because this is, you are activating the external rotation and you are lifting the leg. So you are using the inner thigh muscles to do the external rotation. It's different when we do external rotation on the floor, no? It's different if I'm doing external rotation here or if I'm doing it standing, no? If I'm standing and I'm doing external rotation, internal rotation for some people might be easier, for some people might be most difficult. Because your inner thigh muscles, your hip flexors have to be strong to lift you. Yeah? So right now, if it feels difficult, you are building that strength as well. Yeah? Doesn't mean, guys, the range of external rotation, internal rotation, it's different when we are doing it passively or actively. Yeah? You might have a lot of passive range, but if you cannot hold it in active range, that gap is where you need to work on. Yeah, that's like flexibility. Yes? A lot of passive stretch like this. Good. You cannot sustain this in a standing position. You have a gap to sort out. Yeah? That's why we need both. Active flexibility, passive flexibility. I can hold my leg here, but if I cannot hold my leg standing, then where is the issue? Right? In the active positions. So same here. Yeah? Right leg to the side or whichever leg you didn't do. Forearms on the blocks if you need them on the other side. Use them here as well. External rotation, heel down, toes up, core engage, forearms pressing to blocks or to the floor. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a moment. And we will lift and hold only 15 seconds, guys. Last time, 15 seconds. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and lift. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Guys, are we done for the class today? Shall we do the prayer and leave? No. Some of you left the exercise like, okay, bye-bye, I'm done. I know it's tough, huh? Tomorrow you might be a little tiny sore on your hip flexors. It's fine. Yeah, then it will become strength. Now, guys, standing position, everyone. Keep your blocks nearby. One on one side, one on the other side.
Ma'am, we did not do the external rotation.
Yes, we did.
Oh, okay.
We didn't do the external rotation, guys. Maybe I'm confused myself, huh? We did internal, both sides external. We did now second side, which was the right side, right? Sunita, you were lost. I think you did both, Sunita. You just don't remember because we paused for a moment and explained. But if I miss something, guys, I can make mistakes. Please tell me, huh? Anytime. Now, left foot, open, right foot to the side. So I'm having the right toes forward, left toes to the long side of the mat. Pelvis at the center, arms extended. I'm going to press the feet down. Watch me first. Press the feet down, lock your legs. Reach long and forward. The hip doesn't dislocate. Keep the hip steady, long and forward. Hand towards your shin or ankle, arm above. Yes? We hold it. If you need a block, you can take a block next to your foot. Press the hand to the block, open the chest, extend the arm. Or maybe on the lower side. But the chest doesn't close and the knees don't bend. Press and extend. Yes? Rotate the ribcage to the sky. Here, keep the eyes down or eyes towards your fingertips. Extend the arm fully. Deep breaths. You have to feel the stretch. If you're not feeling the stretch, you can go deeper into catching your ankle or placing the hand on the floor on the inside part of the foot. Deep breaths. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Now, guys, don't move your legs. Don't move your legs. The left foot forward, the right toes to the long side of the mat. Extend the arms, reach long and forward, catch the ankle, or if you're using block, catch the block and extend the arm. Trikonasana variation. Time is on. Extend both legs, Deepika. Don't catch the block if your legs are not extended. Keep the hand on your ankle or on your shin. If the legs are extended, then you can reach lower. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly, slowly coming up. Very good. Now, guys, we will go towards the wall. 1 second. Okay. Towards the wall. And we will take our belt with us. Second, guys. Now, you will catch the belt, hook the left ankle, place it, toes facing up, and the right foot under. Yes? Up, and you catch it with the right hand. Yes? So, you will catch it close, hand to your ankle. Yes? Open. If you can, the hand to the right hip, and you go to the side. Press. See? I'm catching as close as possible. Maybe I'm here. I want to press to the wall. I'm here. I want to press to the wall. So I pull up and press. I can go lower. I pull up the belt. You see? It's tight and press. Yes? Obviously, the foot that is touching the wall has to press this direction, and the foot that is touching the floor has to press. Gripping with the toes to the mat and pressing both directions, locking your knees. Yeah? Catching like this. Open first and then go side. Hand to your opposite hip, side bending. Start walking, walking, walking. As much as you can. If you can catch the ankle, catch the ankle. Open as well. Yes, you can also press hand, extend. Elbow, see? I'm pressing hand to foot. This is final pose here. Those who can go. Again, don't try the hardest variation if you're not there. I gave plenty. Yes, the goal is that we feel a side stretch that is very deep. From here, from the pelvis, up, shoulder. You see, shoulder comes to the ear. If the shoulder is down, we're blocked. Yes? 30-second hold. Time is on. We bring the foot in line with the hip. It's too high right now. Guys, make sure it's in line with your hip. Not upper, not lower. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Good. Other side. Toes facing up, leg in line with your hip. Left hand to the left hip and walk your hand down as much as you can. Time is on. Second side. Chest open, shoulders, chest facing forward. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming out. Very good. Now you will take the chair, 2 blocks. You will place the blocks next to the chair, bent on the left ankle. Lock it tight, okay? Heel on top of the chair, but not leg inside, okay? On the edge. So we adjust the other knee. Sorry. We adjust the other knee until it's at the edge. Right hip under the right pelvis. Sorry, under the right hip. Line, 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 line. Toes up. We pass the belt behind. Yes? Now, hand on top of the blocks. For some people, this is enough. Yes? You will walk, walk, walk. Stay here. Now, once you're here, hand press to the block and you will try to pull the leg. So bend the elbow, pull the leg. Press the hand to the block, engage the core, bend the elbow, pull the leg. Those who can go one step down, they will also go forward and down with the upper arm. Same thing. Okay? I'm not closing the chest. I'm pulling up. Bend the elbow, pull. Yes? You have to engage the core, otherwise the leg will feel like very, very heavy. Yes? We lift 5 times and then we hold. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and lift. Press hand to block. 1. Engage the core, ladies. 2. Toes up, flex the foot, Kamana. 3. Chest forward, Lakshmi. 4. 5. Last one. Lift and hold 10 seconds. 3, 2, up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice and controlled. Release on top of the chair. And we change side. Guys, remember the shoulder goes up to the ear. Even if the elbow is bent, I pull like this. I don't pull from here, from the shoulder down. Shoulder lifted all the time. Yes?
Patty, I wasn't able to lift at all.
Are you pressing the hand to the block, engaging the core when you lift? Without pressing the hand to the block, it will not be possible.
Okay.
Because all depends on this. When we are pressing the hand to the block, it helps us activate the core as well. You press the hand, activate the core at the same time you lift. Yeah?
Okay.
We try to lift, ladies, on the exhale. Right side. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all together 10-second hold. Lift and hold. Up. 10. Guys, up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming down. Very good. Now, guys, we will take sitting position. Remove the chair away. And go close to the wall. Take the blocks nearby, just in case. And the belt as well. Now, we will bend the right knee. Catch the left foot to the inside of the right elbow. Left elbow to the inside of the knee. To the outside of the knee, sorry. Interlace the fingers and rock. When we go back, I open the hip and forward. Yes? 1. Press sitting bones to the floor. 2. Spine straight. 3. 4. 5. Now, you're gonna catch with the right hand the left heel. Index and middle finger on the inside of the big toe. Hook it. Yes? On the inside, you hook with the thumb. And now, you will bring the hand down next to your hip, press, lengthen the spine. Exhale, pull the hip down. Sorry, pull the leg back. Yes? Center if you can. And all the way back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull back and hold. 10, 9. Back as much as you can. 8, 7. Spine straight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Good. Now, the belt on the left ankle. We go close to the wall. Forearm distance. Forearm distance. It's enough. We will bring the leg to the side. External rotation. Yes, now the leg is hanging there. We have to press with the right sitting bones to the floor. Right hand to the bed. Left hand to press the floor. If my left hand is not reaching, I will place it on top of the block. For me, obviously, I don't need this. It will make the position difficult. Those who cannot reach, you will notice. Otherwise, hand pressing down, right sitting bone. Right hand to catch. Walk as close as you can. Guys, if we pull from here, this is not the compass pose. Yes, so we walk as close as I can. Shoulder up to the ear, try to extend. Lift. If I can lift, I go close, close, close. Catch the hook. Lift it high. Point the toes. And hold. Yes? We try. From here, we try to remove away. Yes? So one time, try and find the balance. You can bring the hand here, or those who are hand on the block. Yes, the hand is pressing, the right sitting bones are pressing down to have my foundation and grounding to the floor. Point the toes to make it beautiful and hold. Those who can catch, they will catch the outside of the foot. Yes, press the hand to the block or to the floor and lift. The shoulder has to be up, guys. If the shoulder is down, we are going to have pain in the shoulder. You will feel it. Yes, so shoulder up to the ear. Side stretch. Do you see this side stretch we've been working on the whole class? Yes? Everyone trying? Everyone trying? Catch closer as possible towards your ankle. Yes, try to keep. Yes, Erika, point the toes up. Eyes forward, Kamana. Yes. Meghna, try to bring the chest in. Yes, yes, yes. Press the hand to the block or to the floor. Try to release, guys. Those who are not releasing, try to release. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nidhi, what happened? All good? Yes? Okay. Other side? Second side. Ready? And we try to release. Guys, remember, opposite hand to catch. Eyes forward, chest forward, shoulders forward. Good. Point the toes if you can. Press the opposite hand on the floor on the block. Eyes forward. Don't look to the floor. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Release. We will go back to the left side. Now, guys, this time we will try without the wall. Yes, different variations. So we will take again this. Yes, we try to hook the calf muscle with the left hand. We try to bring the knee on top of the shoulder. Yes. For this, you can place both sitting bones down. Try to bring the knee as high as you can, basically. Opposite hand to the belt, hand to the floor. This variation has both sitting bones down. Yes, this is relatively easier. We did something more complicated now. Okay, so you can hold here or the same. Once you have the leg on top of the shoulder, sitting bones down, press the hand, catch outside of the foot, and kick. Open here, sitting bones on the floor as much as possible. This is easier. This is the variation we did with the wall. Now we are here. Yes? Those who find this easy, want something more challenging without the belt, obviously you don't need for this. If you can do this easy, you try without the belt. Those who can keep the foot, lift the leg as high as you can, release. If you can release, look to the left hand, hold. Yes? Let's try. Pick the variation. Eyes forward. Yes, Lakshmi. Press the shoulder against the knee, knee against the shoulder. Both Lakshmis actually. Both. Pointing the toes. Yes, Sarika. Sunita. Come on. Press the sitting bone. Release the arm. Yes, Monica. Even in the variation where you have the strap, those who are very close to the foot, you can try to release the arm if you want to try that variation. Yes, Pranya. Salini, yes. Needy, yes, yes. Chest forward, chest forward, chest forward. Kamana, yes. Miru, extend the elbow. Yes, Meghna. Monica is forward. 10. Kamana, yes, yes. Come on, guys. 10. 9. 8. Deepika, extend the knee if you can. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Slowly release. Super. Other side. By this point, you must realize one leg is easier. Usually, other leg is a bit more challenging. Yeah? So, whatever you can try on the side. Yes, Kamana.
Does this pose compresses the spine?
Compress the spine. In which sense?
Like I feel like my back is like, it's
Compressing?
paining little.
Where?
Huh?
Where?
Not pain as such, but I get a discomfort. Like I feel like it's decompressed, like it's decompressing my spine.
Where? Here? Where? Where in your
Yeah, the lower back. The lower back, yes.
lower
Yeah.
back? Are you pressing the sitting bones down or are you reclining down?
I am little, yeah, it's bending
If you
little.
are reclining, right? When the leg is up, I'm here reclining. I will start feeling
Yes.
all the way here. I have to
Yes.
press sitting bones and lengthen.
Okay.
Yeah? So really, guys, whatever is touching the floor, I told you many times, guys, put this in your brain. Whatever is touching, if it's my sitting bones, I press and lengthen. If it's my hands, I press and press against. If it's my toes, my feet, I press against. It's like a force down, like a grounding force. It doesn't matter. If it's one finger. Understand? This changes everything. Yeah? Good. Second side, guys. No expectations. Just curiosity. Those who, remember, those who are reaching close to the foot, arm extended, you can try to extend opposite arms. Yes, so if you're reaching close to the foot with the belt and you're here, pull a little bit closer and try to release. If you can extend the arm, you grab the foot higher. Yes? Very good, Sarika. Very good line. Try to release the arm. Come on, core engage. Press sitting bones. Yes. Yes, Sunita ji. Very good. Monica, yes, very good. Come on, a chest forward. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen spine. Yes, Meghna. Press sitting bones down. Release the arm. Pragnya, yes, very good. Salini, come on. Miru, chest forward. Extend elbow. Very good, ladies. Yes. Anupama, yes. Come on. Chest forward. Spine straight. Lakshmi ji, very good. Both Lakshmis, yes, very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Super. Very good, guys. You want to try standing position? Want to try standing position? Last 2 minutes. No? Someone saying no, someone saying yes. Let's do one deal. Those who don't want to try the standing position, you repeat on the floor, or if you are tired and done, child's pose. No judgment. Full rest. Yes? Now, I show you on the standing position. For that, you will need the block and the wall. And according to everyone's level, you can release. So, we take on the left ankle. We go arm distance from the wall. Reach the leg up as high as you can. Yes? Now, the hand on the left, the left arm on the inside. Right hand to catch as close as you can. You will press the left hand to the wall. Try to release. Yes, if you can find the balance, the closer you can reach the hand to the ankle, the better. If you notice from here, we need what? Good splits. Yeah, so don't get frustrated. You can bend a little bit the left knee, make it easier. Yes? If someone can catch with the right hand outside of the foot, press the left hand to the wall. Yes, and up. If someone can release, release. Yeah. If someone can take both hands. No. That's for another class. Yes? So in these classes, you notice that everything is interlaced. We are not directly working on splits, but we need splits, no? Those who came today for kick class, for Pincha Mayurasana, we need the splits. For this, we need the splits. Everything is a puzzle. Yes, there's never one thing we work in one class. It's all interconnected. Yeah? Thank you, Monica. Yes, Alini? You have a question? No. Guys, try. If you feel like ball, no, do another rep on the floor. Yes? But don't discard the pose because you feel it's tough. It's going to feel tough. It felt tough for me in the beginning as well. Yeah? Yes, Meghna is trying. Sarika is trying. Who else? Pragya is trying. Lakshmi is trying on the floor. Good, guys. Try something. Otherwise, take a rest in child's pose. It's fine. Yes, Sarika? Try to release. Meghna, your ground foot is too far from the wall. You are arm distance with the arm, but with the leg, no. Okay, Salini, thank you. Yes, Pranya. Feather touch on the wall. You can release. Core engage. Eyes forward. Second side. Yes, Meghna, that's it. Beautiful. Second side, those who are doing floor or wall, second side. Deepika, yes. Last 30 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Slowly, slowly coming down. Very good. Super, guys. Super, super class. Don't get frustrated. Yes, those who are feeling a bit of struggle, don't get frustrated with this. It takes a little bit of practice. And we are doing all of these actions in other classes. The shoulder opening, the shoulder elevation, we are doing in all the back bend classes, in all the handstand classes as well. Yes, but here we are realizing also how important is this side stretch. Yeah, some of you feel like it's tight, like you never moved this in your life. Yeah, sometimes in the day-to-day stretch, we don't do the side stretch. Yeah, really important also for back bends. Yes, this lengthening from the sides. Yeah, very good, guys. Let's do the prayer. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up. Join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience, and the uniqueness that it comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one Om, three Shantis together. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Wrap the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of your hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your eyes through your eyes. Light the palms on your face. Draw a beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you.
you.
Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.